and you've got all sorts of different zones here. So everything from fan experiences to player safety and behind the scenes. Why don't we just walk over here to the Bundesliga.
The Bundesliga.
Yes, so for those that don't know who that is, or what that is, that's the German soccer / football league.
Exactly right.
And this is a fan experience type of technology.
Right, so what we're showcasing here is some of the work we do leveraging analytics and generative AI. So, you know, if you look, actually this is a really great thing to watch over here because this sort of brings it all together. The teams or the leagues are all gathering data. The leagues are gathering data at copious volumes. It's about 3.6 million points of data.
How are they getting that data?
In the case of Bundesliga, it's optical tracking, so cameras.
Okay.
And so it's about 3.6 million points of data per match.
Every stadium?
Yeah.
Oh my God, okay.
So what you're seeing here is that the data feed is coming in, right? So this is the input to the generative AI tool that is then creating commentary. So if we wanted to watch, let's see, a goal described, going to a goal, 47-minute mark.
So we're showing now part of the game here.
So we're part of the game. This is a live game action, and then we want to create commentary in real time.
So the fans can get that after the game, yes.
And so, and in real time we can create this. And we could do this in different languages. So if you want to do it in English, in German, Spanish, let's go to English because that's the one I read.
Yeah, so the cameras, it knows all the players and what they're doing and where they are. That's like insane.
Yeah.
Like, and that's computing all of that.
In lightning fast speed.
I can't even wrap my head around that.
I'm talking about 3.6 million points of data for Bundesliga for a match, but you talk about like a golf tournament, it's 53 million points of data for a golf tournament. If you look at Next Gen Stats, which is the NFL's, stats and analytics platform, that's about 500 million points of data over the course of a season. And then, F1, which we can maybe talk about in a minute too, they're collecting 1.1 million points of data per second off the cars. So it's a crazy amount of, which is why they need, AWS and all this compute power.
A global head of sports.
This is why they need compute power and AWS, so it's great. So now they're taking this data feed, and it's just the raw data, and they're creating commentary around it, leveraging generative AI to contextualize that content. So they're going to deliver, let's say this is English, and then they could do it in a different tone of voice. So if you wanted to describe this goal very standardly, it's like clinical finish seals victory, right?
So the AI is just coming up with it.
AI is creating it in different tones. So now poetic. So now Blade of Destiny strikes true.
So this is written text, a commentary that is given.
Yeah, that would show up.
And you can choose what kind of
voice
tone,
you want,
voice or tone that you want.
Or persona. This one, Gen Alpha, they used to call this Bro. So it's like
they've rebranded it to Gen Alpha.
To Gen Alpha. So,
listen to this. Yo, Kosh just delivered the final nail in the coffin. My guy smashed a 5-meter high left. Yeah, so that's totally Gen Alpha.
Right. Bruh. Right? Then you got bruh in there. Right? So
it's just like instantly generating that.
And the cool thing about this, it lets them talk to fans the way they, in a tone of voice that they want to, that's more conversant and casual, or, a little bit, or may resonate more, right? So it's meeting fans where they are, talking to them in a way. They're also using generative AI tools to do, this auto translation, but also to create content from one corpus of work. For example, I have a long form article about a match, and they're using Gen AI to say, okay, let's take that article and let's create an Instagram reel and a Twitter post or X post, or something for TikTok. So they're creating derivative works. Generative AI is creating these derivative works that can go out on different platforms to meet fans where they are.